the first one going across the row. 6, 0, 8, 4, 2, 3, 9, 1, 7, 5, 6, 2, 8, 4, 0, 5, 9, 1, 7, 3, 8, 2, 3, 6, 0. Okay, flip it over. All right. Side B, we got 0, 4, 9, 2, 6, 8, 5, 1, 7, 3, 4, 0, 9, 2, 6, 1, 8, 5, 7, 3, 5, 1, 2, 7, 0. How do we do?
Ooh, I like to see those
Lots of
thumbs
thumbs.
up.
Great job. All right, this can go, is it home folder?
Yep.
Yes, home folder. All right, once that's in your home folder, give me a thumbs up. Lots of thumbs up going on. Good, good, good. Okay. We're going to do something called a, oh, we'll wait just a little bit longer for everyone to finish up.
Now.
All right. Let's slide those folders back into our desk. Okay. We're going to do what we're going to call a number talk. I wrote something on the board, and it says 5 plus 2 is equal to blank plus blank. So we're going to think of some different ways that this can equal the next part. So if I know that this is, if we did a different one, let's say we did 3 plus 3 equals 6. I also know that 5 plus 1 equals 6. So we're going to do that for 5 plus 2. Okay, so think in your head, what is 5 plus 2? Shakina? 7. So we're going to think of some different ways we can make 7. So this is what we're going to do. If you think of one way, put a thumb like this. If you think of another way, put up another finger. And think of another way, you can do another finger. Okay? Think of as many ways as you can. I'm seeing lots of fingers.
You know 10 ways to make 7?
No.
Okay. Aiden, what's one way that you thought of that you can make 7?
2 plus 5.
2 plus 5.
Oh yeah, that's
Good
right.
job. That's like fact families, right? So here, I'll write that on there so we don't forget it.
Yeah.
So we thought of 2 plus 5. Okay, what else can we think of that equals 7? Connor.
7 plus 0.
7 plus 0. Okay, what else? Isabella.
4 plus 3.
4 plus 3. What else? Yeah. Oh, 8 minus 1. Ooh, getting fancy. Good job. All right, Nico.
3 plus 4.
3 plus 4. Yeah, that goes with this fact family. Okay, what else can we think of? Yeah.
10 minus 3.
10 minus 3. Good. We're going to run out of space. My goodness, you guys are so smart. Okay, yeah, Melody.
9 minus 2.
9 minus 2. Yeah. All right. Yeah.
11 minus 4.
Good job.
That right here was subtraction ones, so.
I know. All right. Is there anything else I can think of? Yeah, Eden.
12 minus 3.
12 minus 3. Not quite.
12 minus 4.
Yeah, good job. Okay. So can we see how many different ways there are? Can we think of more? Do we want to think of more? Sure. Okay, Nathan.
6 plus 1.
6 plus 1. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Who has not? Serenity.
10 minus 7.
10 minus 7 equals 7. What can we do? Yeah. 14 minus 7.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Yes, Luna.
17 equals 10.
Okay, 17 minus 10.
Oh, that is.
All right. Nico.
4. 4 minus 11.
4 minus 11?
That doesn't work. You can't take away 11 from 4. You run out of room.
Okay, yeah, Aiden. 8 minus 2?
Oh, I mean 9 minus 2.
9. That works. Yep, 9 minus 2.
Sure, we did that. We already did that.
Did we?
Yeah.
Oh, we did. Okay. Yeah, Sophia.
20 minus 13.
20 minus 13.
Oh, whoa.
Wow. All right, we'll take 2 more, okay? Caleb.
15 minus 8.
15 minus 8. Okay, last one. Let's see, Melanie.
9
9 minus 2. I think we might have that one. We do, but that was a great one. That is equal to 7. Okay, wow, so we see so many different ways. We can do that. That's pretty cool. Okay, we're going to do something a little bit different. Same kind of idea. But we're going to start with a little review of something that I know you guys have done before. Do we all remember greater than, less than, and equal to?
Yeah.
Yeah? Remember that? Okay. We're going to do a little review of that before we dig into something a little new. Okay, if I wrote 6 is greater than, less than, or equal to 10. Who can come up and solve? Miko. You can come on up here. You want to write it? Oh, is it? We'll see if it's tall enough or too tall. There you go.
Reach it.
I think you can. Good job. Okay, so this is our less than symbol because 6 is less than 10. Do you remember our alligator?
Yeah.
And what does our alligator like to eat, Sophia? The alligator likes to eat the biggest number. It's always hungry, and so it's chomp, chomp, chomp. I want the biggest number. So that's how we know that 10 is greater than 6. So we use this symbol to show that the alligator wants to eat the 10. Okay, let's do another one. Let's try 27 is greater than, less than, or equal to 47. Who can come up and solve for me? Brian.
Let's go, Brian.
Good job. And how do we know that? How do we know that 27 is less than 47? The tens number is bigger on this side. The 4 is bigger than the 2. Good job. Okay, let's try another one. Let's do 4
is greater than, less than, or equal to 4. Caleb. Caleb wrote equal. Why did Caleb write equal? Good job. Shakina, why did he write equal? Because they're both the same, right? They're equal each other. Okay, we're going to do one more like this. Let's do 342 is greater than, less than, or equal to 224. Connor, you want to come and solve this one?
Yeah.
Which way is that one going? It's going this way? Okay, so Connor, here, let's do it a little bit. Here, let's do it like that. Oh, is this one greater? You're so close. You got it. Which way does alligator want to eat? Good job. Okay, so Connor says that 342 is greater than 224. How did we know that? Luna, how did we know that?
Because the 100 is bigger, and 3 is bigger than 2.
Yeah, we know that because the 3 is bigger than the 2, and those are in the hundreds place. Okay, you guys ready to get a little tricky?
Yeah.
This seems too easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What if I said 6, ready for this?
Yes.
Plus 2 is greater than, less than, or equal to 8. Ooh, Jaden.
Oh, that is annoying. I don't know. It's me.
How are we going to solve this one?
It's not talking time.
Ooh, Jaden says that 6 plus 2, good job, is equal to 8. How do we know that? How do we know that, Melanie?
Because then 6 plus 2 equals 8, and then we put an 8, so.
Yeah, we know that 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. And 8 equals 8. And we solved that, by solving the side first, right? We had to figure out that 6 plus 2 equals 8 before we knew how to compare it. So tell the person next to you, we have to solve the side first.
We have to solve the side first.
All right, you guys want to try another one of these?
It is Miss Maya's turn.
All right, we're going
Rico,
to
do the
try
right thing.
7 plus 7 is greater than, less than, or equal to 15. Eileen. Eileen says that 7 plus 7 is less than 15. How did she know that? Shakina, how does she know that?
Because 7 plus 7 is 13.
Yeah, 7 plus 7 is 14, and we know that 14 is less than 15. Okay, we'll try one more like this. We're going to do 16 is greater than, less than, or equal to 4 plus 6. Kingston.
Let's go Kingston.
All right, Kingston says that 16 is less than 4 plus 6. How do you know that? Melanie, how do you know that?
Because 6 plus 4 equals 10, and then 16 is bigger than 10.
Great. Exactly. 4 plus 6, or 6 plus 4, is 10, which is less than 16. So we know that 16 is greater. Okay, we're gonna mix it up. Okay, now we're gonna try 6 plus 2 is greater than or less than or equal to 4 plus 10. We got two sides going on here. Luna. Sorry. All right, Luna says that 6 plus 2 is less than 4 plus 10. What does she do first? What does she do first? How do we know that? Eileen, how did we know that? Yeah, 4 plus 10 is 14, so we knew that. What about the other side? What did we do? 6 plus 2 is, yeah, Sophia, is 8. And we know that 8 is less than 14. That's how we saw that one. Should we try another one of these?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try, we're going to make this one real tricky. 102 plus 20, whoa, is greater than, less than, or equal to 200 plus 2. Wow. Okay. Nathan, you want to come up and try this one? If you need to do some work on the board, that's okay. There you go. Oh, he didn't need to. Wow, okay. Let's see here. 102 plus 20. What's that? What's 102 plus 20? Yeah, Isabella?
122.
It is 122. Okay, and what is 200 plus 2? Aiden. 202. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. 122 is greater than, less than, or equal to 202. What are we going to do? Miko?
We're going.
Yeah, that alligator, he wants to eat 202. So we're just going to fix this one up just a little bit. So we know that 102 plus 20 is less than 200 plus 2. Because we can solve it, so we get 122 and 202. Okay, ready for something a little trickier?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. This time we're going to try 4 plus blank is greater than 10.
Ooh.
How can we make that true? How can we make it true? Sophia, here, come on up. Okay, 4 plus 6. Stay up here for just a second. What is 4 plus 6? 10. So is 10 greater than 10? Here. Is 10 greater than 10? No, it's equal to 10. So we're going to try this one more time. Here, pick this number. It can be any number you want. So 4 plus 6 is 10. How can we make this bigger than 10? What's the bigger number than 6? You can pick whatever number. You want to phone a friend? Get a friend? Okay, who wants to help out? Caleb, come help out. Okay, so Caleb says 4 plus 8 is greater than 10. Is that true?
Yeah.
That is. Could we use a bunch of different numbers?
Yes.
Yeah, so why did you use 8? Just wondering. Was it just because? Just for fun? Yeah, you could use 9, or you could use 10, or you could use 1,000. All of those numbers would all be bigger than 10. Good job, Sophia. All right, let's see, let's try another one. Let's try 6 plus blank is less than 20. Who can come answer this one? Isabella. Is less than 20. Is that true?
Yeah.
It is. Could you choose other numbers too?
Yeah.
Could I put 4?
Yeah.
Could I put 7?
Yeah.
Yeah, lots of different numbers that I could put in this one. Okay, we're going to try one more kind of like this. Let's try 3 plus blank is equal to 6. What can we do? Serenity. Serenity says 3. Why'd you pick 3? Because 3 plus 3 is 6. Are there other numbers we could use? Yeah, there's a few. We can make other things equal to 6. All right. Let's switch it up a little bit again.
Yep.
You guys are too smart. We need to make this a little harder for you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What if we did
Work.
5 plus blank is less than 10 plus 4?
Woo! These are getting hard. I like it.
Katie, want to come up and try this one?
Take your time.
Plus 3 is less than 10 plus 4. Is this true?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's 5 plus 3?
8.
8. And what's 10 plus 4?
14.
14. And 8 is definitely less than 14, right?
Yeah.
Good job. Are there other numbers we could use?
Yeah.
What's an example of one number we could use? Caleb.
1.
We could use 1. What's another one? Sophia. We could use 2. Aiden. We could use 7. All right, lots of different options, and we could keep going, right? Because there, I believe you could get up to 8 for this one. Okay, let's try another one kind of like this one. Let's do 15 plus blank is greater than 4
Can you
plus
put this down?
3.
I can move down more people if I need to.
Connor, come up and try this one. Connor chose 5. 15 plus 5 is greater than 4 plus 3. Is this true?
Yeah.
Yes, that is true. And there's other numbers we could use, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we're going to do something a little different. I have a tiny little worksheet for you guys. Just a little baby one. Okay, where'd it go? Here it is. Nice and small. There are 5 questions on it. Okay, there's just 5. It's just a little baby one. You're going to do, there's one, okay, I'm going to put it under here for a minute.
Oop, you might have to wake my computer up.
Okay. Uh-oh,
And then on the bottom, click that red icon.
the red.
Yep. There you go.
Okay, sweet. So we've got 5 questions. You're going to do these 4 first. The one in the box, we're going to wait until I give you a little bit more direction, okay? So which one are we going to wait for? Who can tell me? Eileen? The which one? Yes, the one that has no numbers or the one in the little box. That's the one that we're gonna wait for. Okay, I'm gonna pass these out. There you go. Do you have a question, Jada? Can you what? Oh. Sure, you can come to this side quickly. There's your Serenity and Jonah get one too. Yes. Mom, can you get it? Sweet. Alright, you guys can get going on that right away. Yeah.
I love the way that Caleb and Brian are working. Isabella.
Aiden needs one. Aiden needs one.
No, they have an extra. Aiden's way too many. Jonah, I don't see you working. Try.
You want to try one?
Sure, I'd love to do one.
I have to win for your little sheets.
She already gave directions on what we're doing.
Jaden, you gave me an extra one. I'll do extra one.
There's an extra?
Yeah, I would do it.
I'm using two.
Do you have a question? Or are you just done? I'll just, yes, so just finish these two, but wait for this one, okay? Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay, 30 more seconds to finish up those 4 little ones. Yes. Let me do after this part. All right, thumbs up when you're done. Awesome. Okay, most of us are done. I'm going to give you guys directions on what we're going to do for the box. In the box, you probably read it, and it says write your own. So you're going to write your own. You can pick whatever numbers you would like, and one number is going to go on each line. So if I was looking at the ones on the board, I might use 4 plus 10 is greater than, less than, or equal to 4 plus 3. You don't have to use those numbers. You can pick out whichever numbers you would like and then answer it. Okay? You already did it. Great.
Shush, it's not coming through.
You're all done? Or do you have questions? Yes. Oh, so this one you're taking the number to go in the box. And then this one you're taking this greater than this. So I'll decide first.
Nathan, are you finished? Make a smart choice.
This side's gonna be bigger. So
Not
it's
playing in our desk.
9, so make this side bigger than mine. Does that make sense? Are you done? What time are they normally done?
They just need to be done with their side A and B worksheet by 2:30.
Oh, okay.
That's
So
when we
we're
start packing.
good
Yeah,
then.
you're
Okay, once you finish writing your own, you're gonna write that same number sentence that you have going on there on the back, but don't answer it. Leave it blank.
So write the numbers, but not the comparison symbol.
That's okay, just finish up. Do this part.
Melanie, remind her that it's unlocked.
all done writing the same thing on the back, give me a thumbs up. Yes.
Wait.
Are you all done? Alright. You're going to write the same thing that you did here, but don't write the comparison. So you're going to write these numbers just like this on the back.
Miko, you're not finished with your hands. Why do you have drippy wet hands? I don't know why today is so difficult.
Alrighty. Can I see those thumbs up if you're done? Okay, yeah, most of us are done. Great. What we're going to do is we're going to switch with a partner. Okay, so I might have, let's see. So in our 3s or 2s, you're going to switch with a partner, and your partner is going to solve the equation that you just made, the comparison. Okay? So let's see. So you guys want to
You
do,
just stay within your row.
so like, Titus will give it to Aiden, Aiden will give it to Sheena, and Sheena will give it to...
Brian, switch with Isabella.
Okay, so switch it up. So you two can switch.
And then Isabella.
Connor will give it to Sophia.
No,
Sophia to
no,
Melanie.
no, no.
And Melanie
Yours.
to Connor.
And then
You're gonna
Isabella,
use
take
your
that
phone.
paper and switch with Jamie.
Okay, let's see. Do you guys, are you switching? Okay, good.
Elizabeth, switch your paper with Luna. Sorry. Luna, switch your paper with
Yes.
Felix.
So the person you just switched with is going to
Don't worry about
answer
it.
your
Luna, switch your paper
problem.
with Felix. Luna, take your paper and switch it with Caleb's.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, then you're good.
Did you do it? Here's the bag. Here. Who is this one? Is this one yours? We're gonna have to be one of them. You already did it, Here, go answer yours first. All right. Okay, that's okay. Once you've answered your partners, hand it back to them.
Miko, come here.
Okay, that's okay. Are you working on his still? Okay. It's okay.
You need to stop your rewinding. Okay, it's driving me crazy. I don't think it's mine.
That'll figure out and then add zero. Okay, good. Okay, down. So
Right now, you're being all whiny,
it's okay.
sassy, you're talking out, making comments. Stop.
All right, let's bring it back. All right, did we all get our papers back, the ones that you started with? Yeah? Okay, look at what your partner did. Did they get it right? I'm hearing some yeses and some no's. Okay.
I mean, like, your mom.
All right, can somebody raise their hand and tell me what your problem was, and then what you and your partner thought it might be, which comparison symbol? Sophia? Twelve plus 1.
Go fix it. Pretty sweet.
What is it? 12 plus 1? And 11 plus 2? Okay, before you tell us the answer, what do we think this one is? Yeah, what do we think this one is, Brian?
Equal sign?
You think it's the equal sign? Because what? 12 plus 1 is 13. And 11 plus 2 is?
13.
13. So they are equal. Who else would like to share theirs? Jaden, what was the one you wrote?
1,000
1,000
plus
plus
100.
plus 100. Okay.
And then 2,000
2,000
plus 3,000.
plus 3,000. Wow. Okay. What are these numbers? Let's see. What's 1,000 plus 100? Yeah. What do you think it is, Connor?
1,100.
1,100. Okay. And what is 2,000 plus 3,000? Aiden. 5,000. So Jaden, what did your partner say and what did you say? Is this greater than or less than 1,100 and 5,000?
5,000
Is what?
is less than 1,100.
What? 1,100 is less than 5,000? Good job, because 5,000 is greater. Awesome. All right, I'm going to collect these. So if you could slide them down to the middle, kind of like how we passed them out, but backwards. So Aiden would slide his to Shakina, and Shakina would give them both to Titus.
Give them to your paper passer.
And then I will bring them up. Did you get Jaden's too? Did you guys have All right, we're gonna work on our worksheet. Oh, let's get quiet, please. Once you get it, just make sure you have a pencil ready to go. This one's for all right, make sure you're looking at side A. I think I passed them to you upside down, so make sure they're side A. What do you need? What do you need? All right, hold up your pencil. Show me you're ready to go. When we're all nice and quiet, we're going to get started. All right. Okay, pencils down. We're going to get writing. Number 1 on side A. You're all on side A?
Yeah.
Okay, who can read to me number 1? Eileen? All right, so we bought the eraser for a marker for 48 cents and an eraser for 37 cents. What's the first thing that we do? Shakina? You write in the workspace 48 cents. What's next? Miko. What do we write next?
37 cents.
37 cents. And then we write our plus sign and our equal sign. All right. Let's add this all up. What is 8 plus 7? Caleb?
15.
15. So we can can write our 5 and carry the 1. And then what is the second part? 4 plus 3 plus the extra 1. Shakina.
8.
It is 8. So you have 85 cents. So what was our number sentence for this? What was our number sentence? Melanie?
48 cents.
48 cents
Plus
plus
37 cents.
37 cents. And what is our answer? What's the answer? We already know the answer. Brian, what's the answer?
85 cents.
Our answer is 85 cents. Not dollars. Not kitties. All right. We're going to color in the thermometer. What's our degrees that we're coloring into? What's our degree right here? Shakina.
54.
It is 54 degrees Fahrenheit. How do we do that on our thermometer? How do we do it? Katie?
We can write 2.
We do. We count by twos. So we already know it's going to be in the 50s because that's what our tens place tells us. It's in the 50s. And then we can count by twos to find the 4. So we have 50, 52, 54. You can kind of draw a little line there before you color it in if you need to.
You can just color it with your pencil. They're doing it together.
All right, a few more seconds to finish coloring that. If it doesn't get completely filled in, that's okay. I kind of just did a little scribble there. All right, 5 seconds. All right, number 3. We're gonna write these numbers in order from least to greatest. Out of these 3 numbers, what is our least number? What is the smallest number? Eileen, what's the smallest number? Which one? 256. That is correct. 256. And what is the middle number? Not the biggest, not the smallest, but the middle number. Titus, what's the middle number? 265. And what is the biggest, the greatest number? Elizabeth, what's the biggest number? 319. You can write that one in. All right, number 4. We're going to draw a picture to show 304. We're going to use the big boxes to show for 100. These ones, these 10s, to show for 10. And the little teeny tiny ones to show for 1.
For you to just draw lines and these are the dots.
Perfect.
Otherwise they all look exactly the same.
All right, so our dots for the 1s and lines for the 10s. Okay, how many big squares, how many big boxes should we be doing? Isabella? 3. And why do we do 3? Because there are 300. The 3 is in the hundreds place, and these are the hundreds. How many 10s do we do? How many lines? Jaden? 0. Why don't we do any lines for the 10s? Nico? Because there's not really anything there. It's just a 0. And what about dots for the 1s? How many dots do we need? Melanie? 4. And why do we need 4? In our 1s place, we have the 4. Good. All right. We're going to a few more seconds to finish coloring that. is less than 9.
Good
So we're
try.
going to draw our alligator eating the 9. All right, what is the second one? 17 is blank to 6. Katie, what's this one?
It's gonna eat the 17.
It's going to eat the 17 because the 17 is greater than 6. All right, last one. 100 is blank to 200. Sophia. 100 is 100 is less than, right? That's what you said, 200. Good job. 100 is less than 200. Ooh, question. If I added 200 to this 100, would this still be true? No, what would it be then if I added 200 to this 100? Sophia. Sorry, I meant Luna. It would be 300, so that would make it flip the other way. It'd be greater than. Okay, circle the number that is closest to 80. This is number 6. Which number is the closest to 80? Shakina? 67 is the closest to 80?
To 80?
Well, look in those tens places. What are in the tens places? That could give us a good clue. Isabella? Hmm? 83. Do we agree with that? Yes. 83 is the closest one to 80. It's a little bit bigger, but it's still pretty close. All right. Number
Really?
7.
Get up.
We are finding the sums. How do we find the sums? Melanie, what do we do first?
We add the pennies.
All right, the pennies are the
Jonah.
ones place.
Yeah.
Okay, so what would that be? What do all of these equal? 4 plus 8 plus 6.
I see a 10.
Connor.
18.
18. So we can write our 8 and carry our 1. All right, what about the next column here? What does that equal? Only 2 people know. Nathan, what does that equal?
13.
13. You are correct. So what number is that? Brian.
138.
138. Good job. All right, we're moving on to this next one here. What is this column equal? What is the first one equal? Melanie, what is the first column equal?
Do you need to
Well-
write it down?
No.
So we're going to write our
I think
2
you do.
and carry the 1. And what is that second column, this one, our tens place? What does this equal? Miko, what does that one equal? 16. Good job. So what number does that make this? Caleb?
162.
162. All right, last one. We got 35 cents plus 56 cents. What do we do? Isabella, what do we do?
Which add up the pennies.
Okay, we have to add them up. So let's write them going this way first. We got 56 cents. So we can kind of divide it up and see it a little bit better. And 35 cents. All right, so you said add up the pennies, Isabella?
Yeah.
Okay, who can add up our pennies? Luna? 11. So we can write our 1, carry the 1. And what is this column equal? Our tens. What does that equal? over and start working on side B.
Would you